The Enchanted Shirt by John Milton Hay is a narrative ballad that takes students on a journey of poetry comprehension. This video is designed to help students develop their critical reading skills while exploring the captivating story of a magical shirt. The resource begins with an introduction to the narrative ballad genre and the historical context of the Enchanted Shirt. Students will be provided with a brief background on the author, John Milton Hay, and his contributions to American literature. Next, the resource will guide students through a close reading of the poem, focusing on the narrative structure, poetic devices, and themes presented in the text. Through a series of interactive exercises and discussion prompts, students will learn how to identify and analyze poetic devices such as imagery, metaphor and symbolism. They will also explore the themes of love, magic and redemption that are woven throughout the ballad. In addition to reading comprehension skills, this resource will also help students develop their writing skills. Students will be prompted to write their own narrative ballad based on the themes and motifs of the Enchanted Shirt. This exercise will encourage students to apply their understanding of poetic devices and narrative structure to their own creative writing. Overall, the Enchanted Shirt is an engaging and immersive reading skills resource that will challenge students to think critically and creatively about poetry. By exploring this classic ballad, students will gain a deeper appreciation for the power and beauty of language, and develop the skills they need to succeed as readers and writers. Don't miss out. Subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on latest poetry comprehension videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation